What is up, guys? In this video, I really want to talk to you about something that so many drivers do. It's really dangerous and it will fail your driving test if you do it too. I'm talking about following distance. Lots of people wrongly believe that following distance only applies on a motorway. That's incorrect. You should be keeping to the correct following distance no matter what road you're on. Now, do you know what the correct following distance is supposed to be? Well, today you can see it's a dry day, so the correct following distance is 2 seconds. Now, if you don't know how to measure 2 seconds as a distance, you're not alone. So I'm here to help you with that. When the car in front goes past something stationary, you need to start counting to 2. When you go past the same stationary object, stop counting. That's your distance in seconds. The seconds rule is a really good way to do it. The slower you're going, the smaller your gap. The faster you go though, the gap increases, making it safer. 2 seconds is the absolute minimum that you should leave in the dry. If you leave a little bit more, that's okay, but we don't want to leave massive gaps like 5 or 6 seconds because that causes congestion and lets less cars fit on the road. I'm still following the vehicle in front at 2 seconds, but if it was a rainy day or the road was wet, I'd leave 4 seconds of gap between me and the car in front. If it's snowy or the road conditions were icy, I'd leave 10 seconds. And these are all in the highway code, and you should have also learnt it on your driving lessons. But ask someone that you know who drives, what's the correct following distance in the rain or snow and ice? Bet they don't know the answer. Now let's see how that works on a much faster road. I'm gonna pick a stationary object in the distance and start counting to 2. Let's pick the bridge as a good example. I'm gonna start counting when the white car in front passes it. 1, 2, 3. So I've left a 3-second gap between me and the vehicle in front, which looks like a big distance, but I'm going at a higher speed, so that is necessary. The faster you go, the bigger the gap. So the next time that you're driving with someone and you see that they're leaving a really small gap to the vehicle in front, ask them, do you know how to count to 2 in distance? Hopefully now you understand the 2-second rule, how it works, and how to count your distance in seconds. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for all of the best driving videos. See you in the next one. Drive safe.